Nature trail. Zoom it up.
All right, here are the dark woods.
Deer. Oh. Is he gonna bite us?
No.
Just walk very slowly. How about if it runs right to us?
They'll run away. You'll see.
Scared of us.
Yeah,
That was so cool.
Have you ever seen a deer that close before?
No, I've never seen like a deer my whole life. Just watch out for it. They can come running towards me. Could they bite?
They're not going to bite you. I think he likes you. There they are. Guys, how many do you see? I see like 3.
I see 4.
You see 4?
Yeah, I see 4. There. See any more? Open. Go very slow.
Okay.
Very slow. I'm so scared. I know I'm scared.
That's where they
They're
live.
staring at us like crazy. This is so scary. Their habitat's probably over there. Stop staring at me.
Well, you're staring at him or her.
This is so good. How if a deer went right past us?
Actually, there are 3 deer over there.
And see their footprints. Their footprints. See them?
So,
Uncle Mike,
so
their footprints. Uncle Mike.
I wonder how they got there. Who's got bigger feet, the deer or Hannah?
This is cool. How do you spell deer? D-E-E?
Yes.
Deer print. Come on. Yeah. We're like so close to them.
I guess they're drinking water from the stream.
Where? The stream's over there.
Yeah. That's close enough.
Oh. It's going that way. Phew. I thought it was coming to us. Oh gosh.
Are we having fun or what, guys?
Yeah. It's scary.
This is a real nature trail.
Very exciting.
This is where the deer were a few minutes ago. The nature trail at Fort Garrison. You never know who you're going to find in nature.
Make a deer prints, maybe secretly. Ah! Scary. You never know, they might run up at you. Watch your. Okay, keep going. Could there be frogs here? Ah! I broke the twig. That was scary. Because it was huge. Ow! Yeah, that's spiky.
Oh, what's the deer eating? Grass?
Probably. Okay.
Did you taste this?
It's coming.
Oh, it tastes so good.
It's coming.
But it smells horrible.
Little kids taste so good is what the deer's thinking.
What? No.
Can deers eat kids?
No, they don't.
Only little kids. Not,
At the age of 6.
not kids that are
I mean,
over
7.
8 years old.
Oh, good. Jordan, you're dead meat. Jordan's dead meat.
No, I'm not.
Rudolph.
Rudolph. And then he's like, hey, Rudolph, they're calling your name. And then he starts running over here like...
Dasher. What are the other ones? Prancer.
Prancer. Dancer.
Vixen.
Dixon.
No.
Dead face. Dead face.
All right, let's get back. Oh!
Gonna get kissed.
All right, let's get back on the trail.
Let's get to the park because we have to go to.
And let's see if we find any bears in the woods.
We're not gonna see any bears.
Did you think we'd see any deers?
Yeah. Well, I cracked another one. I knew that was gonna break again. Here, I got your hand. Let me hold your hand so you don't go. Dead meat! Stop! I'm gonna eat you up. No.
You never know who you're going to
Here,
see on the nature trail here at
Yes.
Fort Garrison.
We saw 5
Reindeer.
5 reindeer. Reindeer! 5 Come on, Hannah. Woo!
Oh, I can see one of the deer from here. It looks like people.
Yeah,
Are you guys gonna go look at that bird box?
yeah.
Because I know how to open it if it can open.
Yeah.
I know how to do it. I was in the green tent.